Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to solve question number 4 of exercise 1.1. Find all the solutions of the following equations. Question number 4, part first. Given that t square minus 8t plus 7 equals to 0. We can solve this question by factorization. Split the linear term in such two terms that whose sum is equal to the product of these two, that is 1 into 7 equals to 7. Now write this minus 8 equals to minus 1 minus 7, we get minus 8, and minus 1 multiply minus 7 we get plus 7, which is this one. So we can write this t square minus t minus 7t plus 7 equals to 0. Now take t common, so here we get t minus 1, and take minus 7 common here, we get t minus 1 equals to 0. Now we can take t minus 1 common, so we get here t minus 7 equals to 0. The product of these two is equal to 0, so it means that t minus 1 equals to 0 and t minus 7 equals to 0. We get here t equals to 1 and t equals to 7. The solution set is what? 1 and 7. The next second one part is 72 plus 6x equals to x square, or we can write it 0 equals to x square minus 6x minus 72. Shift these two to the right side, so when we are shifting it to the right side their signs will be changed. Or we can write it as x square minus 6x minus 72 equals to 0. Now look at here, 72 1 is the coefficient of x square into minus 72, we get minus 72. Now split this minus 6 into such two terms that whose by multiplying which we get 72 and by adding which we get minus 6. So it is, we can write minus 12 plus 6 we get minus 6, and minus 12 into 6 we get minus 72, which is this. So write it x square minus 12x plus 6x minus 72 equals to 0. Take x common, we get x minus 12, and take 6 common here, we get x minus 12 equals to 0. Now take x minus 12 common, we get here x plus 6 equals to 0. The product of these two is equal to 0. It means that x minus 12 equals to 0 and x plus 6 equals to 0. Shift this 12 to the right side, we get x is equal to 12, and here we get x equals to minus 6. Solution set is minus 6, 12. Question number 4, part 3rd. R square plus 4r plus 1 equals to 0. We can solve this question by quadratic formula. Compare it with the equation a r square plus b r plus c equals to 0. Here the a value is 1, the b value is 4, and the c value is 1. So now use quadratic formula. Using quadratic formula, we have r equals to minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Putting the values here, minus 4 plus minus under the root 4 square minus 4, a value is 1, the c value is 1, whole divided by 2 into 1. We get here minus 4 plus minus under the root 16 minus 4 divided by 2. Here we get minus 4 plus minus under the root 12 divided by 2. Now we can write this 12 under root as 12 equals to 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12. Take out this 1 2 from the root, we get here 3. So we can write it minus 4 plus minus 2 under the root 3 divided by 2. Take 2 common, so we get minus 2 plus minus under the root 3 divided by 2. Cancel this 2 with 2, we get here minus 2 plus minus under root 3. r is equal to minus 2 plus under root 3 and r is equal to minus 2 minus under root 3. Solution set is minus 2 minus under root 3 and minus 2 plus under root 3.